Silicol gel is an oral gel containing colloidal salicylic acid for the treatment of upper gastrointestinal disorders. Taken 3 times a day, it helps manage symptoms and provides relief for gastrointestinal discomfort. Its therapeutic action is due to the large and reactive surface of colloidal silicic acid and its ability to act as an absorbent. After silicol gel is swallowed, it forms a protective and soothing coating over the lining of the stomach and intestines. Due to the absorptive and binding qualities of colloidal silicic acid, it physically attracts and absorbs irritants, toxins, and pathogens. This renders them harmless so that they can be removed and passed through, as the body empties naturally. Silicic acid can also bind gases and reduce excess acidity. Common uses: relieves heartburn, reflux, and vomiting. Relieves medically diagnosed TB symptoms such as nausea, flatulence, abdominal pain, bowel discomfort, and diarrhea. Suitable for adults and children 12 years and older. Silicol gel also alleviates similar symptoms in the gastrointestinal tract that may occur due to a change in diet during travel or on holiday. How to use: shake bottle well before every use. Take 1 tablespoon 50 ml of silicol gel 3 times daily, preferably before meals. Can be taken either undiluted or diluted with water. With diarrhea, it is important to replace lost fluids by drinking plenty of water. Contraindications: silicol gel is now contraindicated with other medications. However, the binding capacity of silicol gel could impair the effectiveness of some medicines. As silicol gel may absorb the medication, preventing them from being fully absorbed into the bloodstream where they work, it is recommended to take silicol gel at least 1 hour before or after any other medications. Side effects: silicol gel normalizes the function of the stomach and intestines. There are no documented side effects of silicol gel. Warnings: silicol gel should be taken with a gap of at least 1 hour before or after the intake of medicines, otherwise their effect could be impaired. Do not use silicol gel in case of hypersensitivity to any of the ingredients. Keep out of reach of children.